Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to go into why Michael Burry has invented into prison stocks, and at least my theory as to why. Um, he has over 50% of his stocks are gonna be prison stocks, right? And we'll go over his portfolio really quickly. I saw this post on Wall Street Bets, and I wanted to go over it just because people were trying to figure out why he was even investing in this. And why he would basically put, and this isn't even a lot of his money. It's only $41 million. This guy manages probably more than $1 billion, right? So this is a very, very small percentage of his overall portfolio, first of all. But I don't even know which one of these are actual. I mean, I can probably look it up, but I don't even know which one of these are actually prison stocks. I'd have to assume that it's, I don't know, maybe Charter Communications, maybe Liberty, probably Core Civic, whatever that is. I don't know. I don't know which ones are these. Which one of these are actually prison stocks? So that's the ones that it seems like. I'm pretty sure it's not Aerojet. It doesn't seem like the retail group is going to be one. I have no idea. But the only thing that I can think of why he would be investing in prison stocks is because prisons generally always make money, generally during a recession or non-recessions, right? And they tend to make more money in recessions as well, just because they most of the money comes in privately and is funded by either the government or from other contracts. I think BlackRock is like a 15% huge investor in private prisons. So BlackRock is a huge investor, or they own like a really huge part of the prison system. Like I said, it's like 15% of the U.S. prison system is owned by BlackRock, which is kind of insane to think that prisons are a for-profit in the United States of America, right? I'm not surprised, but it's insane to think about. And generally, let me see how much he has. So his biggest holding is gonna be Geo. No idea what Geo is. I mean, he's up on everything, which is pretty nice. But also, what he's doing is essentially he's kind of pump. He's waiting for this to pump, and he knows that as soon as this gets released on Reddit and all over the media, this thing's gonna pump. He's probably gonna easily make over 50% return on all these. He's gonna sell all these and dump on everybody. That's what that's what I'm thinking, right? But the even more concerning thing is that he's not invested in anything else. He's not invested in big tech, or the SPY, or generally any other market. And that's because he still thinks that we're going to crash extremely hard. I think he probably thinks that it's going to happen sometime next year. I have no idea when the actual crash is. Sorry, when the actual crash is going to happen. I still think the 320 is a very big possibility. Obviously, right now I don't, just because we're so bullish right now towards the upside. So everything is recovering right now extremely nicely. But again, really, why I think that he's holding prison stock is because they make money either way. Whether you are in a recession, whether you're not in a recession, you know, prisons are going to be consistently making money because they work off of government contracts as well as private contracts, and they consistently get investment just because it's prison. People are going to always go to prison. It's just like Walmart. People are always going to need food, right? They're always going to need cheap food. Prison, you're always going to have people going to prison. And if anything, crime goes up during recessions because people start, they start losing their finances. They start doing things that they shouldn't. Maybe they have to actually start, stealing stuff or stealing food, things like that. So it's an unfortunate situation, but it seems like he's invested in these prison stocks because he still thinks that we're going into a recession. Prisons make money either way, but I also think he's trying to pump his bags. It's just really funny that he has. It's really interesting actually that he has nothing but prison stocks in his portfolio, and I would say this is. He definitely has over $1 billion that he can invest, and this is $50 million. Like that's what 5% of his holdings. Like he's not even invested fully in this. So I definitely say that Michael Burry still thinks that we're still not at the bottom. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Here's the full image just for you guys. That way you guys can see it. Take a screenshot or whatever. That way you guys have something to go by. But I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.